What up, what up, what up? What's up, everyone? Travis was good. TB. What up, what up, what up, what up? Yeah, we're doing another 300 to 10K. We turned the 300 into 9K, then we restarted the challenge. We took it to 900. And then today, I accidentally traded NQ instead of MNQ, and now it's at 468. Well, we're going to get it back. Yo, Spiff, you here? How are we? I'm doing a new thing where I don't look at how many viewers we have, guys. Because for some reason that, like, fucks with my mental when I'm trading. But guys, for everyone watching this early in the chat, that means you guys had noties on. That means you guys are in here regularly. Everyone, drop a like on the stream so that we can get recommended to more people and I can show my Discord. Forget about the redo button, bro. We're gonna make it back today. Yo, guys, new shirt. What do we think? I got some new shirts. I'm trying to upgrade my swag. Don't mind the shorts, bro. I'm not switching out the shorts just yet. I gotta set up Gengar. Oh, Boner-tastic? That's crazy. Okay, that was wild. Bro, there's a fucking bug in my room and I'm gonna murder it. In game. Hitting the hey brosquito. That's crazy you said that. I just saw a mosquito, bro. It's a good shirt, though. You don't gotta be gay about it, bro. Hmm. What will the market do today? I think we continue higher, guys. I do think that. But if we get a nice little move up to short down, I wouldn't be completely opposed to it. We already traded into that 15-minute gap. Would it be terrible to short 52.25? With a 40 tick stop loss? I have my wrong charts up, I just noticed. I really hope it doesn't edge there. Oh. What are you looking for with such low volatility? A trade. I kind of don't like how this just edged my shit here because NQ and MNQ have a divergence right now, so that means market's pretty gay. Bro, why is there a fucking bug on my shit, bro? Holy shit, dude. I'm tired of these bugs. Don't short till gap fill. Bro, I had longs here and here, and we didn't continue for the gap fill. Right now we're trading bearish structure. It would be stupid for me to sit here and just try keep longing with just keep longing. I think we go pull back. I want to see us, like, realistically, we're probably not going to make a move until 10 o'clock. But I want to see us pull into this low, like this wick, and then look for a bounce. Because this low, we took out this liquidity with this wick. I want to see us trade into the CE of that. Dude, no way it was one tick off of our sell limit, bro. Yo, what's up? It's filling that gap. Yeah, we had some longs earlier that I was up like $300 on the 300 account. We were over 1K on the account, but I got greedy and kept holding. But it's whatever. It's what happens. This isn't gonna fill me. So unfortunate. NQ and MNQ having a divergence is never good. Yeah, Key's banking on platinum right now. I think he's up like 8K on his live. It's gonna fill you, then go a bit higher. Bro, what? It's gonna fill me, go a bit higher. Let's see what happens, bro. At this point at edged, I'm like very inclined to just take, if we react off this sort of volume imbalance here and this 1 minute gap, I want to see what happens because I think we go take out this low just because NQ took it out, but MNQ didn't. Two correlating assets should not, like, there's no reason NQ should have a green candle here and then MNQ has a red candle. That's just not how it works. Can you trade for us? No, I'm not gonna. Like, even if I could, I wouldn't. That's just so dumb. Why would I do that? Like, what do you think? What do you what do you think I get out of that, Nathan? Like trading for you guys. I gain literally nothing. Except extra stress and people on my ass. Shinobi, why did you take this trade? Bro. Yeah, like, makes no sense, bro. People want to, like, deposit. Like, people would deposit. I mean, it's just not even worth it, bro. I've seen so many people do copy traders and auto traders. It's so dumb. It's actually such a cooked way of, like, going about things. I would never do something like that. And you guys shouldn't want me to do something like that either, guys. Come on. OKC versus Pacers. I honestly stopped watching the NBA a while ago. I'm more focused on what's happening with Yeah. 10K to 100 million challenge. I don't think you guys know this because a lot of you guys are like newer viewers, but my biggest account flip ever was 10K into 230K and then into half a mil. But 10K to 230K happened in 2 months. Under 2 months, actually. What do you think's going to happen? I think we fill that gap to the upside, but I want to see us continue lower so I could get a better fill for longs. Bro, Trump is the new NBA, bro. I have my Twitter alerts going off like every single second, bro. What price would you go long on the 15-minute time frame? I want to see us trade into the CE of this wick. Probably around 605.25 if we get there. I don't think we get there, but yeah, I think the market's gonna break out before then. I'm gonna remove my sell limit. What's up, Kerwin? For everyone who's just joining up on the stream, make sure you guys like up the stream. We just got edged so hard on that short, bro. Do you have a trade checklist? Yeah. Am I going to share it? No. Oh my gosh, Shinobi, why aren't you going to share it? Because I like gatekeeping, bro. I don't think you guys know. A lot of other traders that like sell courses that fucking sell discords, bro, they're so poor and they're so unprofitable. They literally join these streams trying to reverse engineer my strategy just so they can sell it to their Discord and shit like that. Does the account active for? Yeah, it does. It's code Shinobi for Alpha, but I like Apex better. You just want to figure it out, bro. You gotta have skin in the game, brother. You watch One Piece? No, I only ever watch Naruto. But yeah, guys, like there's actual other people who join off like burner accounts trying to reverse engineer my strategy because everyone's just like, oh my God, how do you bottom in top tick? How do you bottom in top tick? Because everyone else's way of like bottom and top ticking is so like different than mine. They're always just like, oh, you trade the CE of this, you trade this. And I'm like, no, I don't. I literally don't. Because the reason they won't be able to reverse engineer my strategy is because I use the order flow. And most of these other traders that are trading, um, bullshit, like just only ICT concepts, they're unable to do so because order flow is very discretionary. Wob, if you could revert, dude, Wob's my own mod, right? And he's asked me for my strategy. I just keep it. I give you guys all the tools necessary to be able to do something on your own. You can watch you can watch my lives, and like I said, we went for that low because we had that divergence on NQ, right? The reason why I don't share my strategy, like, hey, this is what you do, this is what you're looking for, is because I don't want to just give out my strategy just to like, all right, whatever, like, oh, here's my strategy, whatever. I've done that for so many years. I want people to actually understand how I trade. I want people to show up to the live streams. I want people to actually try and learn it on their own, right? Because it took me 6 years to get to the point where I'm at today. And for me to just give out, 6 years of whatever, like the amount of effort I put into trading and everything, right? I'll give you guys all the tools that you need. I'll teach you order flow. I'll teach you exactly what I look for on the candlestick chart. I'll tell you guys my favorite setups on order flow. But it's up to you to learn that and then build off of it on your own. If I just tell you, hey, this is what to look for, blah, 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 first of all, I'm going to see 100 different courses being sold on it, right? Second thing I'm going to see is people taking trades and being like, oh, Shinobi strategy doesn't work, blah, blah, blah. I don't need that noise in my life right now, you know? I'm trading really good. I'm having fun with social media again. I just don't want that stress of just like, oh, Shinobi said to do this. And then I'm going to have 5, 10 different people just clout chasing, being like, oh, this is why Shinobi strategy doesn't work. This is what, like, bro, fuck all that, bro. This is what you need in order to trade properly. You learn these things that I'm teaching you. You join the Asia live streams, right? You make some money because the Asia live streams, join the Discord. You see me trade live New York session. You see me talk through the trades. See me do trade recaps. And then you build off of that. That's the way I want to go about teaching. That's the way I want to go about just going over like trading and everything, right? I don't want to be the person that's just like, do this, and this. And then just get like, it's just going to bring so much unwanted attention to me, bro. I like the calm little 200 people we have in here every night. I like the size of the Discord. There we go. I'm actually working on a course for order flow, Darshan. I do that on the weekends. It's been so long. Bro. Shinobi is so tough. Like, the way he talks is tough. The way he said the price was going to take that low was so tough. The way he marked out that trend line was so tough. Bro. What's the activation fee with your code? I don't know, bro. To be honest. Yeah, I never really liked book maps, to be honest. I just feel like it didn't tell the whole story. Low key. I wonder what the risk to reward would be if we take this inversion. If we were to take this inverse. $42 tick stop loss. Shinobi signals Discord the reason I have a girlfriend. We did get a change in state here. So what might end up happening here, guys, is we might go and trade into this higher FVG and then reject and continue lower. So I'm gonna not hop in. How are your calls doing? I mean, the market isn't open yet, so I can't really check. Well, my calls are for 2027, so if by now until 2027 the market doesn't go up, then I'll take the loss. I think right now what this 4-hour wants to do, I think this 4-hour literally just wants to close, manipulate a little bit lower, leave a top wick, manipulate lower, boom. I think that's what we should be watching for. Dude, that edged hour fill so hard, chat. Would have been 30-point trade already. You looking at gold? No, I'm looking at NQ, as you could tell by the price. I'm looking at 21,645. Bro, that's such a fire entry, bro. I missed it. I was hanging out with my nephew. Stop break even. Honestly, bro, just leave your stop break even. Worst case scenario, you make nothing. Best case scenario, you catch a 600 tick play to the upside. I still think we fill that upper gap for sure. I think we go and fill this entire gap. Helpful, humble, and glorious. But you guys are crazy. How can I copy trade 3 accounts? On what broker are you on? There may be something people are doing to exploit the free trial in your Discord. No, on WAP, you can only get the free trial once. If they're making new emails and doing all that bullshit, bro, like, I don't give a fuck, bro. Like, if your situation requires you to exploit a free trial, bro, just fucking do it. I don't care. It's not the end of the world, bro. Are MacBooks good for trading? Yeah. We got the same MSI laptop for trading. I only use that when I want to play Fortnite. To be honest, my Mac's probably better. My Mac's like right there. My MSI is on the floor somewhere. You have to use Tradeovate, Basil. Basil. I have a sell limit placed right now, guys. What makes the Mac a good laptop for trading? Bro, I'm not about to sit here and break down the specs, bro. Do I look like tech support? Don't answer that. Don't fucking answer it. Yo, Wob, how about you do your fucking job? Yo, Wob, I'm gonna need your 180 FOV ass to shut the fuck up. Bro literally does not know how to do shit. You actually do? Well, Zeke, I'll tell you what you look like, but you won't like it. No, I'm kidding. I have no idea what to say there. Guys, we're getting rid of the 350 lifetime tonight. After this stream, the 350 lifetime code will not, or the 350 lifetime link will not work. And yeah. That's my TED Talk. Just letting you guys know now. You're in 5 micros. I have a limit. Guys, you guys have got to know the difference between a limit order and when I'm actually in a position. Let's work on basic trading knowledge. So I'll tell you guys exactly. If this takes us low, I'm out. I'm out, but I'm not keeping that limit. I removed my limit, guys. Is your Discord Traders Blueprint? Yes. I want us to trade into that 1 hour BP or that 5-minute BPR. I hope he's not. What do you mean you hope I'm not? Why are you hoping that I'm not in a trade? Like if I had a short up here and we came down 20 points, you hope I wasn't in a profitable trade? Dang. I really hope it's not some bullshit like, oh, I hope he wasn't because it's going to go up. I don't get, like, stay in your lane. Because he thought he missed it. Oh, true. Respect the hate? Bro, I'm really good at hating. I actually used to be a full-time hater. I don't think you guys know. I was a full-time hater back in the day. I like assuming the worst. Are you part-time? Nah, I only hate on my friends now, to be honest. Like, when my friends win, like, a little piece of me dies. You know? Rose camo so clear. White friends? No, I only have brown friends. I have some white friends. Yeah, I don't think you guys know. I went on a generational run when I used to hate. I was fat as fuck calling other people fat, bro. Like, you guys have no idea. I was a crazy hater. If someone ever finds my burner Twitter account, bro, someone's gonna. The people I used to hate on are my friends now, bro. So if they ever, I never deleted the tweets because I'm like, yo, it'd be funny if one day someone finds my burner Twitter from back in the day. Why does it keep putting my shit at 11? How did you break the cycle? What cycle? I have a limit at 735. That's pretty decent. I have a limit at the CE of that 5-minute BPR. If the question is how did you break the cycle of poverty in your life, like your bloodline, I want you to take like one guess what it could have been. So, just for context, correct me if I'm wrong. We're in a trading stream. Where we're trading. But no, I used to sell fidget spinners. That's how I broke the cycle. Oh, the hating cycle? How did I break it? I just got rich. Once you start making money, bro, you stop giving a shit, bro. You're just like, damn, bro, I'm a sorry ass motherfucker, bro. I used to, someone would post their car they bought and be like, oh, nice rental, bro. Where's the WAP link? Let me see. Should be in the bio. What do you think of BMWs? I th- I don't have any thoughts. I mean, I got my dad a BMW. Feel like every trader online has a WAP shop. Now it's hard to figure out who's legit and who's not. Don't join my shit, bro. I'm fake as fuck, bro. I don't live trade. I don't have any information in there. You join, it's an empty Discord. Haliban got injured? Is what I would say if I gave a fuck. I'm looking to get a BMW and fix the combobulator. Bro, what? Oh, R-Man, what the fuck? Oh, there's a fucking ladybug, bro! Fuck that ladybug, bro. Fuck all the other flies in my shit. I'm trying to trade right now. What are you gonna see if you join my WAP? So if you go to the actual WAP website or the checkout link, it actually lists out everything. Why am I being such a dickhead tonight, bro? I'm actually being a complete dickwad today. My bad, guys. I don't know why I'm being a fucking dickhead today. Like, the only thing that pisses me off, like, reason I get so annoyed at comments like that is like, people want me to sit here and then like, they'll be like, why should I join your Discord instead of someone else's? And I'm like, bro, join the other person's, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like people be like, "Oh, why should I join your Discord instead of Powell's?" I'm like, "Bro, join his instead, bro. Like it's all good, bro. Like I'm not going to sit here and um I'm not going to sit here and like try selling someone on something." All right, so this is what's in the Discord. You get me shilling my Apex link in here. You get like giveaways and shit. Um you get this thing where it has like PDFs on like different things that are included in my strategy. You have the intern courses where we have an options, futures, and SMC course. You get all of my alerts, every single one. So like, I'll give you guys an example of me walking through a trade. I'll be like, all right, I have a long limit here. Stop loss is 10 points. I'll show when we enter. Okay, we're profit. These are my other orders I have. Then I'll keep updating it throughout. I'll show what my TP is, which was all the way up here. All right, blah, blah. And then I actively move up my stop loss. I'll actively tell you guys what's going on. Stop, move to break even, blah, blah, blah. Remove my, then when I enter back into a trade, I remove my limits, add a short limit, blah, blah. You have Wob, who's kind of gay. Then you have Nady, who I pay, I don't know. Hasn't posted in 2 days. No, I'm playing. His grandparents are in the hospital. Frankie hosts classes, posts some motivational stuff from time to time. He has some videos up in here. You have the trading chat. The Phil I canceled. This guy made $490 on. People posting their gains. You can ask questions in here. That's it. Wob is low-key gay? Bro, that's what I'm saying, bro. Wob's high-key gay. Yo, Clapper Dapper, don't tell him your Discord username, bro. I don't know why this guy thinks he has the authority just to ban anyone. Let's just ban Wob. Send him back to Vietnam. I passed the combine on the 7-day free trial. Fire. Wob, how are people joining off the free trial right now, bro? Oh, the Discord. Free trial channel? Oh. See, like, this is going to be me being a dickhead again. Right? So we're clearly trading NASDAQ, right? Someone comes in here asking me to analyze the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen. I don't trade Forex. Free trial to Diddy Chambers 1. How much do you risk on the 300 account? It really depends, bro. It really depends. It depends on the setup. Do you go live every day for New York AM? It depends if I'm awake. If I'm awake, I will. Sometimes I'll go live during the PM, but I try to go live during New York every day. But if I'm not live, Wob's always there. If you want to chill with Wob. Ask stupid questions, get stupid answers. I know, but sometimes people are just retarded, like in general, so I can't always just, you know? Because I want to do it, but how many micros max can I go on a 300 account? 10. Wob scares you? Yeah, dude. Wob, I heard Wob likes, like, I heard Wob's not around, is not allowed around, like middle schools and shit. Just what I've heard. Spit it out, bro. Yo, guys, tell Wob to pronounce the letter R. All. Join the Martin Shkreli Discord. You joined a Discord of someone who went to prison, federal prison. So who really has some screws loose, bro? Did you major in finance? I dropped out. Majored in math? What did you want to be? Like a math teacher? I wanted to be on the Olympiad. Wanted to work for the NSA or NASA. I work as a COT engineer. How can I have exactly the same trading view chart setting as you? Any videos you made, or can you explain it a bit? Whoa, what just happened there? Um, I'll do this for the Discord. I'll post my chart settings in there. It's me, Swee. How you been? I've been good, bro. What level is even marked? 734.50. Yeah, Buckby. I'll drop that in the Discord tonight probably. Apex doesn't have an eval consistency. It has a consistency on the PA accounts. Do you live in America? Yes. Do you have to pay activation fee for Apex? Yes. How's everyone's night going, bro? Everyone, type where you guys are tuning in from. Where are you guys watching from the world today? Do you have to pay the activation fee again? Yeah, I mean, if you lose the account, then go get another account past that. Yes. Nutville, Nova Scotia. Iran, Belgium, San Diego, Iran, Indiana, Morocco, Alabama, Arizona, Iran, Brampton, Arizona, Denver, England, Netherlands, B-Town, British Columbia, Staten Island, what is that? Tunisia, Texas. Why don't you recommend Alpha anymore? The true reason is Alpha was like they here's the thing about when I work with a company, I want to make sure that the people that are like buying the accounts are also like giving them a reason to, right? So the thing with Alpha was they were giving me two 50K accounts to give away every month. Two fucking accounts. And I gave away 10 and I paid out of my own pocket, right? When I hopped on the call with Apex, these guys gave me literally every week I get like look, I hit up the Apex guy. I said, "Can you send me more account codes to give away for my stream?" He said, "Sending those now." Sent me 10 codes to give away. Any sized account. So I could give up to $3 million of Apex funding accounts and funded accounts, which is crazy. Literally, they don't like bullshit me. Bro, I had people who won the giveaway with Alpha and they still haven't given away some accounts, bro. They were such weirdos. Like, they're so fucking cheap. Apex, bro, they have so much fucking money, bro. They're just like, yo, oh, you want an account to give away? Here you go. Oh, you want to give away 10 a week for your streams? Here you go. Bro, I give away 40 accounts per week. That's $12 million in funded account. Like, $12 million. I don't know how the correct way to say it. $12 million worth of, like, in evals. Yeah, it's easier if you don't have a payout. Yo, can I cancel the monthly sub once I get the lifetime? Yeah. Alpha account, giveaway account within 24 hours. Trixie, did you win? One of my giveaways, or like you gave away your own account? I won from someone else. Is a 50K account really 50K when you only have 3,000 worth of drawdown like Topstick? Doesn't that basically just make it a $3,000 account? No, it's a 50K account because you get to use leverage that you wouldn't be able to use on a $3,000 account, right? You're not going to be able to trade the amount of size that you can with the 50K account. And the thing with the 50K account is once you get it above 52.6 on a PA account, your drawdown becomes locked at 50K. So you could take it to $100,000 and now you have 50 full $1,000 of drawdown. Bro, did that just gap up? Didn't gap up. Makes sense. Wasn't using my brain on that one. See, bro, this is the issue with math majors, bro. This is the issue I got with you math majors, bro. Always thinking you always trying to be profound and shit, bro. It's a 50K account. It's 50K account, bro. Explain that again, please. No, that's too much thinking. Should I build my buffer on my PA before requesting my payout with Apex? Pendify, have you gotten previous payouts before with Apex? Like, have you gotten your first payout yet? 50K means 50,000, yeah. All right, so if you got a payout before, then build a buffer. Like, literally, bro, fuck the if you guys have gotten payouts before, right? If you guys have gotten payouts before with Apex or any prop firm, what I recommend, bro, is fuck the consistency rules. First 5, 10 trades, 5 days, 10 days, bro. Size the fuck up, build a huge ass buffer, and then just consistently trade it over time. And then once the consistency gets there, you're going to have a huge buffer. You're going to get a huge payout. How come you trade mostly Asia? I mostly trade New York. I only stream on YouTube for Asia session. Might not hit 734. I have a short limit at 734.5. This is starting to barcode up, though. Stream New York. I stream New York in my Discord. I had to build a buffer on Apex. Yeah, you have to get to 53K before you can request a $2,000 payout with I think it's a 30% consistency if I'm not mistaken. And then it's 8-day minimum. So you just have to make 650 for 8 days. Do you know your win rate? My win rate is 130%. No, but on a real no, my win rate's probably like 40 to 50%. New York stream is different. Yeah, New York stream is definitely a lot different because we show more on the New York stream. Yo, don't ever mention MFFU in here again, bro. I hate that fucking firm. I hate their CEO. Are you entering this trade? I mean, I have the short limit. How much can you make max? You can make 650 max per day. Or 700. $6 months ago? Bro, if you've held a fucking PA account for 6 months, you're either trading really fucking good or really fucking shit. And considering the fact that you said you're broke, that means you gotta stop worrying about blowing the account and just get some crazy payouts on it. Wasn't lifetime 300 last week? No, it was 350, bro. Don't be a hater, bro. I'm trying to give you advice, bro. Like 6 months could also just mean you had the account, you just never traded it because you're super small or you're super close to like your drawdown. Take profit trader. I don't really have much thoughts on anyone, to be honest. I just know what I trade. I started trading with FTMO, and then I switched to Apex when futures firms were a thing, and then I stopped. I don't test new firms. I trust Apex because they've given out $500 million in payouts. Like, that's what I fuck with. Get your buffer up. I think so. Only if you've gotten payouts before. If it's your first time going for a payout, I think the second you're able to get the payout, you take it just to feel and see that it works. Why don't you work with Topstack? I hate their CEO. I think he's a lying piece of shit. And they don't have an affiliate program. What about trailing drawdown? Trailing drawdown stops after you make $2,600 on Apex. Discord's 97 a month. How did he lie? Bro, they literally got their entire. First of all, he's trying to build an SRO with other prop firms, trying to hinder the trader more, and then he's gaslighting. Dude, he's just a bullshitter. Like, he wants to act like he has this great firm. Oh, yeah, whatever. But then he goes and just tries to fuck over the trader every chance he gets. All right, well, we are filled. Let's see what they do to us here. I want to go for this low. What the hell? Three R? That's pretty shit. Imagine we go for the 50% of this candle though. That'd be so nice. Before we even get happy, we're about to get stopped out. Let's see what happens. We have $100 risk on this trade. Overall, guys, I do think this goes and fills this gap, like I've said multiple times. I just think we need to get a little bit lower just to get. I just want a better fill, to be honest. It doesn't even have to go lower. But I see a setup here, and I'm going to take it. We'll see what they do to us, though. We will see what they do to us. Oh, bro, you just gave me a heart attack. I thought I opened another trade on NQ and not MNQ. I'm in micro Nasdaq, my express account, 3 micro good or 5 micros. Whatever you want. If we can build 508K, why not use our one money, bro? This is my live account, bro. What's your thesis? My thesis for this trade right now is that we continued lower here. We should have gone for this low, taken it out as we swept previous lows. We didn't. And then we have a 5-minute BPR here that I would like to see us reject. The only issue is that we could continue higher and reject off of this 5-minute order block instead. So it's really chuzzed right now. Does blindly following your trades good here for long term? No. What the fuck? Don't ever ask some stupid ass shit like that ever again in your entire life. All right, new 4-hour candle opened up, guys. We're going to see some volatility here. Let's see what the market ends up doing. What the fuck? That was crazy. Interns stopped out. All right, the fact that this 4-hour candle left that small of a wick, I think we continue lower. Let's see. Loki wanted to short 52. Fuck, bro. I'm missing, like, stupid shit right now. Do you use SMT as a confluence in your trading? Yeah. Oh, dude. You gotta be kidding me. You have got to be kidding me. I'm gonna be pressed as hell. Get chuzzed, bro? Yeah, I got chuzzed. I got chuzzed! Yo, chatter, we got chuzzed. We're gonna make a new 4-hour low here. We have to. I would have wanted my next level that I was looking at short was 752.25. I got stopped out before though. Oh well. Look at my chat. Top step trailing stop at 5 to pay stacks. The odds in their favor will you will feel. Yeah. I don't know, bro. I'm gonna break my monitor. I swear. Is it amazing as the trade evade? Um, I prefer trade evade more than wealth charts. In me humble opinion. If they make a new 4-hour low here, bro, I'm gonna be pissed. They're about to put in a new low, aren't they? Yep, there it is. There it is, bro. Fuck, man. Fuck. You gotta be lying, bro. Shinobi, I lost 300 off that trade, dude. No! Let's see what they do here. $7.52. Oh no, man. All right, let's see. I do like 764, but do I like it a lot? No. Honestly, I'd rather. I'm gonna look for only longs now, to be honest. I want to wait for a pullback to long. I'm gonna look for pullbacks to long. Where's Spiffy? That's what I'm saying. Where is Spiffy? Alright, guys, I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. I'll BRB. Stands for be right back. Alright. Don't listen to this guy. Alright, now what we do, we just ban the motherfucker, bro. Why the fuck are you in the stream? If we're just gonna come in and say some bullshit, fucking retard. Why you went to the bathroom without me, bro? What do you mean, bro? We closed above the CE of a 5-minute wick. I mean, usually you want to look at the CE of higher time frame wicks, not 5-minute wicks. Let's get a pullback to long, chat. Let's get a pullback to long. Have you taken execute? Yeah, I got stopped at. I took we were at 900, but then I accidentally took a trade on NQ instead of MNQ, and then lost like 200-300 on that. So we're basically back to 300. Yeah, I was telling everyone, like, bro, do not short off open. We're most likely going to run higher. I took the 752 short. What's there at 752? Any trade in Bitcoin? No. Yo,
What's up, my guy?
I'm live right now. What's up?
Oh shit, what's up, stream? Yo, did you take any trades yet?
Yeah, I accidentally took NQ instead of MNQ earlier, and then I lost like 600 so far.
Oh fuck. Alright, type shit, type shit. I'm gonna just text you then, bro.
All right, bet. Peace. Wob, don't tell me what to do, bro.
If you're not
How do you look at bright charts? I don't know. I like the colors. When do you think it's gonna short? I don't know. I'm not looking for shorts anymore. Where do you want to buy from? Right now, nowhere. I'm just watching. Guys, not every second of every single trading session is there going to be a play. You get it. Sometimes we're going to have to wait things out. Like we're currently doing. We're just waiting. Let's see what the market gives us here. Why is the NQ price action so weird right now? What? Bro, NQ and MNQ are diverging so hard. Because it's clearly bearish. Am I in a trade, you fucking dumbass? Do you see me in a trade right now? You absolute moron? This guy's fucking stupid, bro. Mods, send a bomb to his house. Send a B2 spirit. Put a bunker blaster into his master bedroom. You lose money, he make money, he take money fro you. Yeah, someone send a fucking B2 bunker blaster right into his mom's bedroom, bro. Lord knows she's fucking the mailman, bro. Lord knows she's fucking the mailman. Rings an absolute moron like him. Bro said stop that. What are you gonna do about it, bro? What are we looking for? I'm looking for a pullback to possibly long. Yo, guys, this entire move is bearish, is what he was trying to say. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 consecutive bullish closes. Stupid. All right, let's see. This is some confusing stuff. I don't think people are hating. I think it's just the one or two dumbasses that come into the stream trying to show their longs to make them, or show their plays to make them feel better about being in a position. But I don't really get it. NQ's moving so weird. 605. 605 is a while away. I don't think we'll get there. Yeah, bro. That's what I'd be wondering. How many trades on average do you take per day? I have no idea. It really depends on the market. Are you trading ICT concepts? Not really, but kind of. Let's see. How old is Shinobi? I'm 22. 35 is crazy work, bro. Are you gonna take another trade? Yeah. This is just gonna rip. That's not fun at all. Does Shinobi have kids, bro? I'm 22. Definitely left. I've seen it. Bro, you guys are weird, bro. No, I'm playing. What's with the interview? You staying till London sesh? Probably not, dude. If it goes no pullback, guys, that just means no trade for me. This literally might just keep going. if we don't start to pull back at where we're at right now on MNQ, at 765.50, then we're gonna keep going. I'm taking lighter size on this. If I get stopped, I get stopped. Whatever, not the end of the world. But let's see if we could get filled here. 765.50. It's gonna be my last stab at shorts, just to see if we pull back to this 5 minute gap. This is what I really want to see for longs. But if we're gonna edge me, bro, I'm gonna be so annoyed. I'm taking this with light size, by the way. Could you go all the way to the moon? Hell yeah. Alright, let's see how this reacts. We're risking $60 here, which would put us back at 300, which I'm not too worried about. But let's see what it does. If this just completely rips, I'm going to be like super surprised if we just completely rip. Dude, I just want to pull back to long. Is that too much to ask for? Holy shit. I love how it initially edged the fucking short, gave some profit, and then immediately rockets next candle. Took full TP. Bro, full TP should be at like 870. Where that initial gap is. Like, your TP should be all the way up here at 870 for longs. I'm just so mad. I got smoked out of my longs. I got stopped for... Honestly, I should have had a way wider stop. Long off the inverse fair value gap. Where are you seeing the inverse? Oh, off this big ass one. This one. I don't know if I really like that, to be honest. Just me personally. Especially when it's traded in 1, 2, 3. And I don't know. It could probably work. I'm probably just being biased. Let's see what it does, though. If it doesn't reject here, I don't think we're getting that pull back to that fair value gap for longs. What's up, murder? Having a rough stream today. I feel like the second I hop off stream, I'm going to trade better. Oh, nice. We're green $3. Woo. I really want us to leave this high untouched. I want us to leave these equal highs and go to this fair value gap. That'd be so good. Yeah, we're not going to. Let's see. By the way, I know we're having a shit trading stream today, but the 350 lifetime goes away tonight. Really hate that it's going away tonight. After, if this play doesn't play out, then that's 2 losses in a row. Not gonna be happy about that, but I said it was going away today, so it's going away tonight. And yeah, you guys have been other stream in the previous streams. You guys know we don't take an L usually, but today was a weird day because dude, my momentum's just been off since I traded NQ instead of MNQ on accident. I literally thought I was buying I thought I was buying 3 MNQ, it filled me for 3 NQ, and before I realized I was down 300, and then like that's like half the account when we were in profit. Short or long? I'm currently short, but I want to catch a long off this fair value gap, which is right under that 4 hour low. But to be honest, it might not give it to me. It's probably gonna run without me. It's one of those days. Like, nothing much, bro. Just chilling. Can you share your payout history with Apex if you don't mind? I don't share that type of stuff. I'll share broker statements. I shared my tax 1099s. And the reason why is because if I share my payout statements or my payouts with firms, then people are going to be like, oh, why did I get banned on this firm and this guy didn't? And it becomes a whole thing. Oh my god, Apex doesn't ban Shinobi because he's an affiliate. Bullshit. Alright, we're finally seeing this rejection. This 5 minute, honestly, if we can inverse this small ass gap here, would be nice. If we can inverse this one, that would be even better. This candle closes in 3 minutes, so it's not looking too good. But this 1 minute, we had a change in state plus an inversion. We might start to reject here. Let's see what happens. You'll had Iman sniffing around. Iman trading, yeah. But I mean, dude, Iman's business model's so good, bro. He doesn't have to post any trades. He doesn't have to live trade. All he does is call out Danny trades and fucking idiots in the space. And then people watch that. And then he's like, everything is for free on my website. And it's just like 3 different affiliate links. Like, bro, I promise you, Iman's probably making like 50 to 60K a month off his affiliates. Very, very good way about like growing your brand and stuff, because there's always going to be fraudsters in the fucking space. And then, he's just pushing them to his free course. Cool. You look like a good guy. Obviously, he's trying to help people for free. But then also, you have the affiliates. And instead of using some random traders' affiliates, because he's put that in their mind that they're all bullshit, then what's going to end up happening is they use his affiliate and he makes like 50, 60, 70K a month off that shit. If I had to guess, I don't know. All right, we're up 1 hour here. I think everyone's a scammer. I mean, bro, I don't blame them. Everyone mostly is a scammer. That's also one of the main reasons I started trading live on YouTube. It's just because it's like I'll trade live. You guys see it's a live account. You guys see me execute, tell you guys the limit beforehand. Yeah, I'll take a few losses here and there, but then obviously we catch one trade, we make that all back, right? So That's the whole point. Also, I get to show my Discord and my affiliates, so it's a win-win. Speaking of the Discord, the 350 lifetime goes away tonight. So you can click that link in the chat, and then you'll be lifetime member in the Discord. Catch me trading during New York, all sorts of shit. Get all my text alerts, trade recaps, classes. Very nice. All right, I'll move my stop loss break even here. Stop, move to break even. Now we let this ride. Tell price to go back up. I'm long. TB, what the fuck, man? Let me get my longs. We could be long together. Stop being greedy without me, bro. We got a 5-minute change in state too. Bro, I'd be so surprised if this goes back up without going to that lower 15-minute gap. Let's see. Yeah, guys. Like I said, 350 lifetime discount goes away tonight. Oh, and then we're back to 97 a month. If I get stop break even here, bro, I'm calling it a night. Shout out Ryan. If this candle goes green to red, bro, I'll do a backflip. Do you go live for a New York session every day? Yeah, some might not be AM session, but I always try to go live for New York session. Then I get paid on Friday. Unfortunately, I can't. Fatty can do a backflip. Yo, bro, let's go band for band, bro. I've had enough of people calling me fat, bro. If you don't have at least 100K liquid, bro, you can't say shit. It does a 50% of the 1 minute range. I don't know. I want us to go for that lower 15-minute gap. I think that would be perfect entry. If we don't, that's completely fine. Market giveth, market taketh. Do something about it then. All right, bro. Here you go. Like, do something about it then. Like, bro, what do you think I'm gonna do? Run up in your neighborhood, try to find you because you were talking shit in a YouTube live stream at fucking 11 p.m. at night? I don't think it's clocking to you that I'm standing on business. I don't think it's clocking to you. You guys ever see that shit? What's a lifetime subscription? Normally we don't really do it. We never do lifetime subs. Only reason we did it was just because there was a lot of people who were asking for it at the time. I don't want to join, but I'm short 150. I'm gonna get it on Friday. Bro, you're making me feel bad, bro. Stop. Is this AMP Futures? Yes. I'm on AMP Live. Will you ever do it again? Yeah, probably some other time. I don't want to just. The reason I don't want to have the lifetime discount available at all times, guys, is because then people don't care to join it. If it's like once in a while, then people be like, oh shit, let me join. He only does it once in a while. If I have it all the time, people are like, oh, I'll join tomorrow. I'll join tomorrow. Oh, he's always going to have it. Shinobi's the perfect example of people who Andrew Tate calls geeks. Didn't Andrew Tate like touch kids or some shit, bro? Is that really who you want to be listening to, bro? That bald fuck? That was Diddy? Bro, I don't keep up with the child predators. I don't keep up with the sex traffickers. That's just not something I do. Eddie, wouldn't Andrew Tate call you a brokey? Oh shit. How the hell did Tate blow up so big? I don't know, bro. I used to fuck with him back in like 2022. But now, like after he did like all that crypto bullshit where he went live and was just pumping and dumping cryptos and had burner wallets, that's where I was. Andrew Tate would ask where the Bugatti at. Bro, ask him where his Bugatti's at, bro. That motherfucker hasn't seen his Bugatti in so long. Well, 1 minute equal lows on ES. Bro, equal lows and equal highs got patched, bro. That's the old update. Those don't work anymore, unfortunately. I remember when equal highs and equal lows were literally a cheat code. All this 15-minute candle's disgusting, bro. Do you think Andrew Tate's actually a billionaire? No, dude. He makes money off his Hustlers University, $50 a month. Let's say he's doing a mil, 2 mil a month, bro. He's living in a place that he pays minimal taxes in, bro. He's got crazy. I mean, bro, realistically, I don't even know like what the fuck he does anymore. Yo, shout out to you, Lalo. How would you have caught that entire long at open? I didn't. I don't like to look back and see what I would have done or like what I should have, could have, would have done, but yeah, I didn't catch it, so I'm not worried about it. If I had caught it, it would have been a different situation. But unfortunately, I didn't. Shinobi, you're my goat. Thanks, Sam. Shout out you, bro. When do you trade your fundeds? Oh, it depends, bro. It really depends. Depends on if New York's better. Sometimes I'll trade them on Asia. Sometimes I'll trade them during New York. Really just really just depends on how the market is. If like the market's kind of volatile or choppy and I don't want to or they heighten margin requirements for the 300 account challenge, then I trade my fundeds. That's usually when I do it. Or do you also trade live capital on options? I trade live capital on futures and options. And then I also have funded accounts. How the wicked candle targets will last. When are you gonna start going to the gym? Bro, I'm down 50 pounds, bro. When are you gonna fucking grow up and fucking retire your mom, broke fuck? Oh! When are you gonna stop looking at your bank account before you go grocery shopping? Retard. Ah! Like, I could do this all day, bro. Bro has a fucking Lamborghini in his YouTube banner. Guys, take a look at this fucking loser's YouTube. He has a motivation playlist. He has an entire motivation playlist. He has frequency. Like, bro, I've never done some loser shit like that in my life. Sitting here managing 300. I turned the 300 into 9K, Eddie. You absolute moron. I turned the 300 into 9K and then I withdrew the 9K and then I bought leaps for 2027. 9K is currently sitting at like 11K. You can learn from Luke. He was already halfway to passing your dumb 300 to 10K challenge and you're sitting here managing 300. Bro, show me 300. Eddie, let's see 300. Yo, Eddie, show me $300 liquid in your bank account, bro. I'll literally send you 10K. Absolute morons. Absolute morons. Hold on, ready? Yo. Yo, guys, I just FaceTime Luke. Yo, Luke. Yo, I'm live right now. Yo, do you know anyone named Eddie?
Eddie what?
His name's just Eddie. Eddie.
Off the top of my head, no.
Alright, that's all I wanted to know. Alright, peace. Yo, Eddie, he doesn't even know your dumbass, bro. He doesn't even know you. Yo, imagine dick sucking someone and they don't even know you. That's crazy. No, bro, to be honest, they're probably doing it just to like get me to respond to their comment or some shit. Yeah, they're just rage baiting, bro. Cause I literally respond to all, like, for some reason like when someone says some bullshit, bro, I just have to respond. I get rage baited so easily. And also, I'm already like kind of in an annoyed ass mood today because I fucked up and I traded NQ instead of MNQ on the challenge and like took a loss. So I'm already a little fucking on edge already. So today I'm just like, all right, if someone's gonna say shit, I'm gonna say something back to them. Like whoever was, those motherfuckers came in the stream expecting me to like just get really pissed off, and all I told him was like, "Yo, you check your bank account before you do your groceries." He's gonna go to sleep thinking like, "Damn, my broke ass has all these fucking motivational playlists on YouTube, but I still have to check my fucking bank account and budget my fucking groceries." Like that's what he has to think. He has to go to sleep knowing that his mom has to wake up at 6 a.m. to go do her job, giving blowjobs outside of Wendy's. You know, all because his dumbass can't make any money. So like that's what he has to go to sleep thinking. You know. Are you homies with Dachi? Yeah, Dachi's cool. I just dropped 100 shots. I'm trying to make the news. I don't know why I use that song. I don't even really like Real De Young OG that much. Imagine he flexes being in a long-term, healthy, long-term relationship with his girlfriend. Bro, would you rather have a girlfriend and be piss poor or rich as fuck? Are you homies with Antonio? I don't know who Antonio is. I don't know what I'm doing the next lifetime, so bro. Yo, I haven't seen Halo in here in a minute. This 15-minute closes in 1 minute, I think. Oh no, I already closed. Oh fuck! Hold on, guys. I don't know if I like this. I don't know if I like this. If we start to come down, hold on. Hold on, I gotta get rid of this take profit. I want to say if we trade it into this 50, and this is a little unicorn setup type of thing going on. I'm just gonna cover the fees on the trade. Put my stop loss here, right at this. Can't see. I can't even do that because there's a fair value gap right above there. I'm gonna have to have it break even, unfortunately. I would love for us to come down to this rejection block. Do you teach your strat in the lifetime? When money is tight, nothing wrong. Most of us are here to learn and ignore the haters. Yeah, I know, Nitro, but you guys ignored the parts where I'm trolling the haters, bro. None of that's meant for you guys, bro. It's to make the haters feel bad, bro. All right, we're about to get stop break even here. If we get stop break even, guys, I'm gonna call it a night. I'll probably Are you Muslim? No, I'm sick. But if we get stopped here, guys, I'm gonna probably call it a night for streaming. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a night for the stream, and then if I take any trades, I'll call them in the Discord. And then if you guys want to join the lifetime, I'm gonna spam the link here. You guys can join it. Today's the last day tonight, so like in an hour, I'm gonna make the link inactive. And yeah, bro, I appreciate you guys sticking by. I know I wasn't high energy. I know we didn't take any crazy wins. Um, but yeah, we'll get it tomorrow. I'll see you guys back again at 9 p.m. tomorrow. Love you guys. I appreciate everyone who stayed through all the way to the end. And yeah.